Hello students, in this lecture video I'll be talking about chapter 4 physical education, what it means and what are the sports for CWSN. What is this CWSN? It is children with special needs, or in Hindi we say Divyang. So the objectives over here are, we will learn about the aims and objectives of adaptive physical education, the organizations which are promoting these Special Olympics, what is the concept of inclusion and role of various professionals for these type of children. So these two topics we will cover today in this lecture video. Now see, children, they can have variety of disabilities. They can have mental retardation, or they can have hearing problem, hearing impairment, impairment in the speech, blindness, or maybe the muscles are weak, orthopedic, autism, again a brain related, traumatic brain injury, or variety of, you can say, things which can hinder their the education in such children. So, but opportunities should be there, okay? All these above mentioned impairments, the special education is required. That is the adaptive physical education, because education needs to be adapted for them. They cannot go to the regular school program, okay? It is designed, which is designed for the normal children, because they will be unable to receive the benefits. That is why it is, you can say, the corrective or adaptive or different types of names are used for such organizations. Like here it is given, the remedial physical education, adaptive physical education, or corrective therapy. Okay, that is a type of education which we can give them. Now, what is the meaning, exact meaning of this adaptive physical education? Let us look at over here. It means diversified program of developmental activities. Okay, diversity, because there are certain limitations because of their disabilities, but we have to have their participation. Such education programs which are designed for differently abled people, those are referred to as adaptive physical education. Adapted means it is safe, it is satisfying, and whatever developmental delays the person is referring to, or irrespective of the age, it can be given. Now, what should be the aim of adaptive physical education? It would be to achieve physical, mental, emotional, and social growth proportionately, to provide equal opportunity, okay, so that there is no restrictions. They should be handled freely. Then what are the main objectives? Let us look at the main points over here. Ensuring services to meet special needs, okay, means proper environment should be there. Their motor skills need to be developed so that their daily routine activities are carried out. Enhancing the self-esteem is very, very important. Realistic goals have to be achieved so that their self-esteem is maintained. Then ensuring participation in physical education programs. It has to be related with their education programs. Then improving the physical fitness, that enhances the activity of the brain also. Motivating students to protect themselves in any conditions. They should be able to defend themselves. So kind of a motivation. Then promoting sportsman spirit, that can be during these participation of students in the physical education programs. Then developing knowledge of good mechanics, means over here it is that each individual develops its own knowledge, where that particular person is appreciated, whatever depending on the mechanics, means depending on its ability. Then improving social adjustments, means to improve among different students. Like in today's society, participation, you can say when they participate, then they can adjust in the different social environment. Now, if we talk about different organizations which are promoting adaptive sports, these are Special Olympics Bharat, okay, where they are designing different, you can say, activities for intellectually disabled. The mission is the same, that to provide the equal opportunity, give them experience of joy and the participation, the skills which they will be enhanced with. Then the vision. What should be the vision? That they should be energized, they should be healthy, and they should have the feeling of equality. Oath is let me win, but if I cannot win, let me be brave in attempt. So that motivation that they can do anything in life, irrespective of their disabilities. So what are the goals? Basically, the goal is to develop the physical fitness, achievements. There have been variety of championships which give them benefits of improving their physical fitness and motor skills.